Welcome to Learn and Success, where every story teaches a lesson for life. Today, we bring you a heart-touching tale of two sisters, a railway track, and a moment that changed everything. Stay with us till the end. This story will touch your soul and open your eyes to what truly matters. The Little Girl and Mushrooms. It was a fine summer morning, perfect to be outdoors. Two sisters had been out mushroom picking. They were on their way home with heavy baskets full of mushrooms. They sang songs on the way and played with each other. Soon they reached a point where they had to cross a railway track. They did not think twice about crossing it. There was no train in sight, and they could not hear any whistle. They slowly climbed the embankment to cross the track, taking care not to drop the baskets. They were very near the track, and the little sister was about to cross it when they heard the distinct horn of a train. The older sister got frightened and ran back. She thought the young one was following her. She turned back and was shocked to see her little sister still on the track. "Come back here, run back fast," she screamed. It seemed the little girl could not hear her sister. She was concentrating on stepping over the track with her little feet and holding on to the basket. Then she tripped and fell on the track, scattering her mushrooms around. She sat down and began picking them up and putting them in her basket. Meanwhile, the elder sister had become hysterical. She cried and screamed, calling her little sister to leave the mushrooms and run back. But it seemed the little one could not hear her. The engine driver panicked on seeing the girl. He blew his whistle with all his might, but she appeared not to hear the whistle. Her sister was now crying loudly, overcome by panic, as the little girl crawled between the tracks on her hands and knees, picking the rest of the mushrooms. The engine driver was helpless. It was not possible for him to stop the train suddenly. He blew the whistle harder and harder, but the engine rolled over the little girl. The older sister clasped her face with trembling hands and cried bitterly. The passengers panicked, terrified by the thought of what they might witness. The guard ran down to the end of the train to see what happened to the little girl. When the train passed, everybody saw her lying very still between the tracks, with her face down. Then she raised her head, sprang to her knees, and began gathering the remaining mushrooms. The big sister ran toward her, tears streaming down her face. They hugged and kissed each other, crying out of happiness. Tears of joy flowed down their little cheeks. Never were two souls so happily united as at that moment. The elder sister promised, "From now on, I will always hold your hand while crossing the railway line." The two sisters picked all the remaining mushrooms. Hand in hand, they solemnly walked back home. They were indeed two souls who had become wiser than their years. In the span of a few minutes, in just a few moments, two little girls learned the value of love, care, and presence of mind. This was not just a story of mushrooms and a railway track. It was a story of bond, bravery, and wisdom beyond age. If this story moved you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Success, because here every story has a soul, and every soul deserves to learn and grow. Hit the bell icon for more real and inspiring stories.